What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and I hope you guys like this video. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be creating these Valentine's Day pretty in pink press-on nail sets, and I'm going to be using these extra long nail tips, the clear nail tips, and I got these nail tips from eBay. And I'm going to be starting off by using this Gale gel polish. And the gel polish that I'm using today is this like a nude pink, and I'm going to be just painting these nails with the nude pink, the entire nail with the nude pink, and then I'm going to be putting that into my UV lamp for the recommended 60 seconds. And I did get this gel polish from Amazon if anybody is interested in these any of these colors. I didn't want that part to take too long, so I did speed that up, and after I finish, I put everything into the UV lamp, all of the nails, let it cure 60 seconds, and now we're out with the video. So the polish that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using the Beetles gel polish, and I'm going to be using Mia's Secret blooming gel. So what I'm applying to this nail right now, I'm applying the I'm applying the Mia's Secret blooming gel to the nail, and I'm just smearing that onto the nail at a slant to like give it kind of like a not a uniform pattern, but just creating a random line with that. And as you can see, I'm putting some polish here onto this palette here, and I'm going to be using the Beetles gel polish, and this is hot pink. This is also a soft pink, and this is a lavender color that I'm going to be using today to create this set of nails. And as you can see, I'm just applying that just in small strokes on this nail, because when you use the blooming gel does the work for you, so you don't have to do anything as far as creating a pattern, because of the blooming gel, the purpose of that is to spread the product around basically and make it look like a marble. You know how a marble look, it look like different swirls and everything like that. So that's the purpose of that. So that's what I'm using today, and I did go in and add white gel polish as well, and this is from the brand Beetles as well. Again, these gel polishes are from Amazon, so if you are interested, you can look those up. And after I applied all of the gel polish to the nail, I'm using a dotting tool, and I'm going to be just trying to swirl these colors together onto this nail to have them mix. After that, I did put that nail in the lamp for 60 seconds, and now I'm starting on the next nail. And what I'm applying to the nail is I'm applying that same Mia's Secret blooming gel, and I applied this kind of like a slant as well, but not uniform to the nail that I did before. It's slight different with the way that I applied that blooming gel, but it's fairly the same. But I am using those same colors, that pink, hot pink, the regular pink, the lavender, the soft lavender, and the white. And I'm going to be just applying those randomly onto the nail so that the blooming gel could let the nails mix together. The colors mix together, and it creates that marble effect. And make sure you don't apply too much blooming gel when you're applying it onto the nail, because it spreads really fast, and you don't want to spread it too much to where it looks kind of transparent. So apply thin layers of the blooming gel to the nail. As you can see, I didn't do much but put it onto the nail and apply it with my liner brush, but it's already spreading. And I'm going to be using this gold foil today in this video, and I got this gold foil from Amazon, and I'm going to be using my tweezers to apply the gold foil onto the nails. I did use some nail scissors to cut the gold foil into smaller pieces so that I can apply it to my nail. I'm applying it with this tweezer because this product really sticks to your hand on whatever surface it touches, and it's not hard to pick up, it's just kind of hard to work with, because if you're using your hand, because it just sticks to everything, as you can see here. I was trying to get it off of the scissors without trying to touch it with my hand because I didn't want it to get stuck to my fingers. But I wanted to add a pop of that little color, so that's why I put that gold foil on it. And I'm going in with this top coat, this gel top coat, because I did want this set of nails to stand out and to be shiny. Put it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds after that. And I'm going to be doing the same thing with this nail as well. I'm going to be using my tweezers to apply this gold foil onto the nails in random places. I'm trying to really do it on the kind of like on the line or a little bit above or below the line that I have created here, and no specific order, just adding the gold foil wherever I feel that I wanted to just add it, just to give it a little bit of just to make it stand out more, because I did like the pink and the whites and how they all mix up together with that lavender, but I thought that this would just give it an extra pop to this set and just make it stand out a little bit more than the regular sets that you would see. So that's what I'm doing here. Make sure you take your time when you're using this foil, because again, it does stick to everything, and yeah, it's just hard to move around. And I'm going to be applying that gel top coat again. It just is a shiny top coat. And after this, I'm going to be putting this nail into my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And don't forget to check out some of my other videos that I have posted here on my channel already. On my channel, I have some hair tutorials. I also have some makeup videos as well. So I don't only just do nails on my channel. I do the variety of those three things. So if you're interested and want to see more hair videos or me doing my makeup, leave it down in the comment section below, because I have been doing a lot of nails lately and I haven't been doing any hair or makeup tutorials. But I do want to step back into that, because you know that is really what I'm enjoy doing as much as I do nails. But I don't know, I just really been into just the nails. So yeah, for this nail I'm going to be creating a French tip, and I'm going to be using my liner brush to create that French tip, just to create that line, that small line. And again, I did use a liner brush, and these liner brushes is from Amazon, and so is a polish that I'm using here in this video, in case anybody missed when I said that. So I do just create that pattern with that French tip, and then I'm going to fill in the rest of the nail with the regular brush on that gel polish, because it's easier to fill it in. Some people use a liner brush and fill it in with that, but I just feel like it's too time consuming. It's just way faster to just, you know, look, just polish it up. Look, I'm almost done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And yes, I did just say that. But after this, I'm going to put this in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And yeah. So I did go in with my Mia Secret Blooming Gel again, and I'm going to be applying that Blooming Gel onto this nail as well. And I didn't do it, and the other two nails that I did previously, I did it at a slant, but this one I did not. For this nail, I wanted to, at first I was going to do the whole, I was thinking about just doing half of the nail marble, and then I decided I wanted to do a French tip marble. So that is what I'm going to be creating here. I'm going to be, you know, just adding the pink, the two pinks, the hot pink, the regular pink, and the lavender and the white, and just letting the blooming gel just blend the colors together to create that marble effect, again because I'm doing blooming nails. Oh no, I made a mistake. That was not the blooming gel. That was the crocodile nail that I just created before I started on this nail. I'm sorry, my video went out of frame, so I thought it was I was doing the voiceover for another part of the video. So excuse me, that was the crocodile nail, and this is the nail that's going to be the French tip marble nail design. So again, if you reached this far, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if it's anything in the video that I forgot to mention, if anybody's interested in anything, you could just leave a comment down below. I do respond to everyone. If they have any questions or just making a comment, I do respond to everybody. So if you're interested in anything I use in the video, just let me know, and I'll be sure to link it down for you so you can get the exact same product and don't have to spend your time searching for the same products that I used. And if anybody can recommend any other good brand of gel polish, I do like these polishes, but I do want to try some different ones. And this is my nail resin, Mia Secret, and I'm going to be using that glue to apply this charm that I have there resting on my finger. I'm going to be applying that charm to this nail. I decided to put this charm on the nail because the other nails have the gold foil on it, and I just really wanted to bring that gold into this nail. And this is the crocodile nail that I did create, and just added that to, you know, just make the gold pop on this nail because I didn't want to do foil on each of the nails, so that's why I put the charm on that nail. You see how I'm not even using the foil, the gold foil, and it's stuck to my fingers from just it being rested there next to me. Like, it just sticks to everything. So that's why I again apply it with my tweezers. But I am creating that French tip with this liner brush, and I'm using that white to create that French tip. So now for this nail, I did want to create these hearts, and I just wanted this whole nail to just be hearts. So that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm taking my time and I'm drawing, and if you do make this mistake, it's gel polish. You could just easily wipe it off with a cotton swab or whatever it is that you have on hand to just wipe the nail clean off and just try again. Just take your time when you're doing any type of nail art. If you're not really good at nail art or drawing in general, just take your time. If you make a mistake, just erase it and start over. Like, you know, it's really not that serious. But I do take my time when I'm drawing anything onto my nails, any type of nail art, any type of patterns or designs, because yeah, I'm not very good at drawing, but I do take my time, and just most of the time, if I'm doing a set, as I always say, I do have a reference photo in front of me. But being that this is a freestyle, I don't have a reference photo in front of me. So I'm just trying my best to just draw hearts, random hearts, just different sizes on this nail. And after I did draw the outline of the hearts, I am going to just be filling in the hearts with that the gel polish. At first I was thinking of leaving them hollow, just leaving it just the outline of the hearts, but then I thought that I would just fill them in. Don't forget to check out my my press-on nail plug. I have a press-on business on Instagram. The name is Pretty Press-On Plug. So if you're interested in any of the nails that you see here on my channel, or if you want to order a custom press-on nail set, then you can hit me up on Pretty Press-On Plug, pretty_press-on_plug. That's my channel. Hit me up in the DM if you're interested in ordering my press-on, or very affordable prices. So I don't charge an arm and length for my press-ons, and my press-ons are reusable. They do come with you know, the basic, the glue, the stick, the nail tabs to stick on your nails. I do have a sizing kit, and yeah, anything you can think of, I can be able to create on a set of nails. Again, if you're interested, Pretty Press-On Plug on Instagram. also connect with me on my other social medias as well. I do have a TikTok, and my TikTok is my name on, as well as on YouTube, Yadrissa Green. So you can check me out there. And for my Instagram page, my main page is called Black Barbie Doll. Black_Barbie_doll. This is the Mia Secret Clear. I'm going to be using that to put over these parts that I created. Tap off the excess, put it in a UV lamp, dust it off when you get it out after 60 seconds. This is the finished product of the nails that I have created. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating this video for you guys. Connect with me on my other social media platforms. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and check out my other videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.